an old car that was Steven's in 1993 when he graduated.
As you can see, well, actually, you can't see it. Hold on. As you can see, this says 93, and this was made in 1993.
Not made. This was,
Yeah.
as you can see, it's pretty
This
old.
is a charger. And, Zoe, could you tell a little stuff about what's inside?
She's rolling down.
I miss these old windows.
I know, so do I. We found so many music stuff like songwriters, Hey Hey Can I Do. This is Through Never Thought Easy Matters of a Wolf and a Man, The God That Failed, My Friend of Mystery, and The Struggles Within. These are little tapes that they had. Oh, look.
So I'm just going to get out and show you a view. That's the back seat. This is the front seat.
I'm gonna go check out the trunk. Come on. Let me put everything back.
All right. It's really dusty. This is the fantastic car.
It's pretty dirty.
Sorry, for this part because we have the music.
Can't get it open.
Opening the trunk.
Flashlight. Turn on my flashlight.